What's up, YouTube? My Zippo came in today. Now, unfortunately, the other Zippos, which I have several coming in after this, won't be here till tomorrow, and it appears they're all being shipped in one thing, one package because I ordered them so close together. I tried to spread it out a day so that way they'd get delivered, separately so I'd, be able to make one video a day, but it looks like I'm just going to be cranking out videos, like 3 videos, and just releasing them once a day after this video. Now, this Zippo is not a Zippo that they make anymore. I made a video on one that was identical to it several years back I think in 2015 or 2016. And since then, I had moved back to the water. Now, where I lived at the time, the water was murky saltwater freshwater mix. Now that is not very good for a Zippo, and I had a vest on, and in that vest it had a little pocket, and I had the lighter in it, and I left it on the sailboat that I was on by mistake, thinking, oh, it'll be fine, I'll just come back and get it 2 weeks from now. Well, within that 2 weeks, the boat sank to the bottom of the river, and then had to be pulled up, and by the time it had gotten pulled up and I was able to retrieve the vest that had the Zippo in it, the Zippo was rusted, corroded, the chrome was damaged, the insert, all the rayon was trash. So I wound up sending it in to Zippo. They fixed it. I never made a video on it, but and then once it was fixed, the finish still looked kind of bad, and so I was like, what, my sister wants a Zippo, so I just gave that one to her because she didn't really care that it was all messed up looking. But that Zippo would be none other than the Chrome Visions lighter. Now, I don't think they've been making this Zippo for at least 5 years. And we can go ahead and open it. As you can see, I only paid $10 for this one, and I will show you the price sticker because I purchased this secondhand. It is brand new, never used. However, the person who I purchased it from is also a Zippo collector on eBay, and he sells a lot of the Zippos that he just doesn't want anymore or aren't that rare. This is one of those, and so he decided to sell it for much less, so I paid $10 total, and the original price tag, which the first version I paid this for it, is $29.95, and you can see the old ancient Zippo blue advertisement on it. And this lighter is a J of 09, so A B C D E F G A B C D E F G H I J, so I believe October. Don't quote me on that. It's been a while. It's been a while since I've dated a Zippo, but I do believe that this is October of 2009. And honestly, I think the other Zippo I had was October of 2009 as well. But now we get to see the old Zippo logo. This is a warranty card. They used to come with all kinds of crap printed on them. The Zippo blue, which is now discontinued for those of you who don't know that. And, other things like the candle lighter, which I think they still make, and stuff like that. Whereas the new warranty cards is just this. This is all you get anymore today, which is kind of unfortunate. I kind of liked seeing, a bigger, piece of paper with, more interesting stuff on it that maybe I was or maybe I wasn't interested in. But we can go ahead and open this lighter up. It's been a while since I have opened a Chrome Vision Zippo. And I'm going to go fairly slow because this sticker seems to not want to come off very easily. And I'm not sure if that's residue. Yeah, I think that is residue, unfortunately. Yeah, that sucks. Yeah, that's a little residue, so I'm going to have to take some Zippo lighter fluid once I'm done with this video and take that off, but it's not that big of a deal. And the reason why I didn't put it on the back is just because, you know, Zippo no longer puts Zippo Blue ads, so I kind of want to be able to look at that. So this is the first time opening it. Very nice. And we can go ahead and pull this out. And this was made in I of 2009, and of course it has the old black felt on the bottom, and of course it says made in Zippo USA versus Zippo made in USA, which, you know, they quit doing. I don't exactly know when they quit doing that, but they quit putting made in Zippo USA sometime in the 2000s. But as you can see, it's actually quite clean in there. Normally when I get older Zippos, a lot of times they'll have, you know, corrosion or, you know, green brass tarnish in the bottom of them, but this one does not, so that's nice. I do plan to use this one like I used my original one, but I'm nowhere near any water, so don't worry, this won't wind up the same fate as the first one of these that I had, unfortunately, wound up. But you know, so I actually will very quickly go grab my light. Actually, it's right here. I forgot I brought it over here. I thought it was still sitting in another room, but it's not. Now this, again, guys, this isn't actually lighter fluid. This is the camp fuel that I use as my alternative for lighter fluid. However, again, it works just like lighter fluid. It's just going to leave your chimney looking a bit worse off than regular Zippo lighter fluid would, but I don't really mind. I probably will wind up putting it in the Chrome Vision lighter, just because, again, if I'm going to use a Zippo a lot, I don't really care if the chimney starts getting discolored. And it came right off. Well, I'll accept that little top piece right there. But so, you know, it is what it is, and I also can't even remember. I'll have to look back on my old cringy videos to see if that Zippo, the original Chrome Visions I had, was a oopsie or not. I kind of want to say it was, but honest to God, I don't even really know. But this is a very pretty lighter. I've always loved the look of the Chrome Vision Zippo, and now I have another one to use and not mess up this time. But anyway, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video, and I will see you in the next video, which should be coming out tomorrow, I think, depending on when the package gets here, because if it gets here late, I don't really want to mess around with filming a video, but if it gets here early, then it's all game. But anyway, that's gonna do it for this video. Wasn't too long, I hope. I kind of, you know, went through the same things over again, but that's the video. Nice little addition to the collection, especially since I no longer have my original Chrome Visions, so I have a replacement now. So that is nice. Anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe, do whatever you want if you want to. I'm not forcing anyone to do anything, but I'll see you in the next video.